Alright, y'all, so I stopped doing this one thing and bam, my skin cleared up like magic. So check this out. This was my skin before, and honestly, it's giving Michael Jackson moonwalking through Calabasas with all those craters. And this is my skin after. Talk about glow up, baby. So since it's National Trail Day, I thought that I could take a little walk down this trail and I'll spill the tea on how I got this glow, shall we? Alright, so here's the deal. I stopped letting my kids sleep in the bed with me. Yep, that's it. Who knew the smallest change could bring such major results? And trust me, this goes for life too. Maybe you got some sneaky little habit holding you back and you don't even realize it. And girl, if you're stubborn like me, it might take a little minute to figure it out. That's why you gotta pray for guidance and clarity, okay? Because it says in the Bible in Daniel 2:22, he reveals deep and hidden things. He knows what lies in darkness and light dwells with him. So pray up and watch those answers come shining through. See you in the next one.